What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Wide Body Nation. Today we have a package from Amazon because I snagged some really nice carbon fiber parts for 1/3 of the price that they usually are. That's saving like 60 to 70%. What I got mine for 127 bucks. They're usually 300 to 350. So let's check it out. Got you guys in the wide view because I figured you guys would want to be able to see around the S209 a little bit, the interior. But so yeah, basically you can read off the package, APR, and I already told you guys it's carbon fiber, so you guys can potentially already know what it is. Boom. Got the, you guys can see it is real carbon, so that back is not all gloss, that's just like the raw carbon. But then look at this. For our little heat shields for the exhaust. Now, these do require drilling. You guys can see right here. But in my mind, it's better than sticky tape because most of the other companies do sticky tape for theirs. So this will have me feeling a lot more, a lot more secure because we are going to be drilling. But we're going to have to drill into the bumper. Luckily, the S209 rear bumper is basically the same as a normal STI, so I don't feel that bad about it. The front, however, I do feel bad about for the intercooler that we've got coming up. All right, I'll let you guys check out this a little bit more, and then we're gonna go move to the back of the car to get this thing installed. Hey, Jolly, what do you think? What do you think of the new carbon fiber, bud? Are you a carbon fiber boy? Whoop. Yeah. So we are going to go ahead and check the fitment real quick. Looks pretty good. Now we've checked the fitment out. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down the area, get all the water out of there. Now it is important to note that we are gonna have to do something about this exhaust to go ahead and do the actual side that has the exhaust on it right now. But we were definitely doing the left side first because it's going to be easier. All right, so for this install, all you need is a drill, a 3/16 drill bit, or you could probably use a quarter. I use a 3/16 so I'd give myself some room to kind of drill it out and do what I wanted to. And then a 10mm socket and a Allen key to go ahead and actually tighten things up. All right, guys, so we were able to get it on pretty easily on this side that doesn't have the exhaust on it. However, a little bit of a fitment issue, not really up top as much as down under. You see that we have the screw here and the screw here, but down here, there's no overlap. So the bumper actually doesn't have an area for us to go ahead and screw it into. Now we're gonna switch over. Got some shoes propping up the exhaust. I just popped off some of the exhaust gaskets. Just used, I didn't have any WD-40, so I just used some tire shine to get them off the hangers. But about to go ahead and install the second cover right here, or right up there. As far as actually drilling out the holes goes, all I did basically was just push the exhaust aside, and then I went up at a little bit of a diagonal. So I was able to go ahead and do it without taking the exhaust off, and then I just tightened it with a little Allen key and a 10mm ratchet to go. I would hold that up back right here while I was tightening with the Allen key right there. So I'm pumped that I actually have it screwed on and not just taped on, because I think it looks really good. The fitment is there. As the install went, this side was super easy because there was no exhaust there, obviously. Just two drills, and that's it, because this last one over here did not actually line up with the bumper. And the fitment over here is, I'd say, like a 9 out of 10. Same thing out of here, over here. Although I do want to say that the exhaust does have some daylight in there, so it doesn't look like we're touching right now, which is definitely a good thing. Overall, I got to show you guys in the daylight, but pretty easy install. All right, like I said, I got these for about 60 to 70% off by just finding some random Amazon link, and they only had one in stock. I will go ahead and link it below, but I will also show you guys the screenshot of my order just so you don't think I am totally lying. But that just shows that you guys can like kind of prowl the internet for the best deals. Sometimes you'll find them, sometimes you won't. You know, Subi Speed, all these other places, they do have them for like 320, 330 bucks. But yeah, might as well spend your time checking some Amazon links. Sometimes Amazon has car parts on there for amazing prices, so worth your time to check